Hello, my name's Harley Smith, and I just thought I'd show you a walk around in my new Bossini DR50 pit bike. Well, it's a midi on its paddock stand. It's a car wheel thing, so you can get underneath them. There's not a lot of room at the moment, but yeah. I just had all the seat off, I've had the exhaust off. Can't see down there, unfortunately. If I could, I'd show you. It's got standard brakes, that drum, pull start, choke, air filter, all that, yep. Bossini DR50. It's got a green cover over the seat, I didn't put that on there, that was the last owner. Yeah, it's quite nice. I only heard it fired up once so far. Should be getting it fired up first. I'll have a video about that. And yeah, should be getting some like GoPro videos of that and all that up on my YouTube channel. Please like, rate and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.